Some people grow to 100,000 followers in a few months, while others post for a year straight and barely reach 500. It's not luck. It's not talent. And no, it's not the algorithm holding them back. The truth is, they're missing a system. If you want to start on social media in 2025 the right way, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, there's a blueprint. And once you understand it, you'll never post blindly again. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start and grow, even if nobody knows you yet. No expensive camera. No personality required. No dancing. No cringe trends. Just strategy. Step 1. Stop posting random content. Most people fail before they even begin because they post anything and expect growth. One day fitness, next day AI, then a random motivational quote. But social media doesn't reward variety. It rewards clarity. If the algorithm can't figure out what your content is about, it won't know who to show it to. Your message must be consistent before your account can grow. One niche, one message, one mission, not everything that interests you. Pick one transformation you help viewers achieve. Examples: business niche. I help beginners start online income streams. AI niche. I teach people how to use AI tools to make money or work smarter. Productivity niche. I show people how to get disciplined and improve their habits. Pick one lane and own it. Step 2. Define your audience before you upload anything. Here's the harsh truth. You are not the hero. Your audience is. Your content shouldn't be about who you are. It should be about who they want to become. Before you create anything, answer this. Who am I talking to? What problem do they have? What result do they want? Why should they listen to me? For example, audience. People tired of 9-to-5 jobs. Problem. They don't know where to start online. Result. Make their first $500 to $2,000 a month online. Your role. The guide. Once you know who you're speaking to, you will never run out of content. Step 3. Master the hook, or don't post at all. The first 2 seconds decide if your video lives or dies. If people don't stop scrolling, nothing else matters. Bad hook, dead video. Great hook, growth. Examples. Most people will never grow on TikTok, and here's why. You've been lied to about making money online. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. Stop posting content like this. It doesn't work anymore. Start bold. Speak directly. Create curiosity fast. If this already helps you, save this video right now, because what I'm about to show next separates posters from creators who grow. Step 4. Use the 3-second social media formula. Hook, value, retention trigger, CTA. Examples. Hook. Here are 3 AI tools that can save you 10 hours a week. Value. Gamma. It builds presentations in seconds. Retention trigger. The last one is a hidden gem nobody talks about. CTA. Follow for daily AI tools that actually save time. If your videos don't follow a clear structure, they won't perform. Step 5. Create binge-worthy content. You don't want views. You want followers who watch your next video. People don't follow random creators. They follow series. Examples. Day 1 of building an online business. 30 AI tools in 30 days. How to make $100 a day. Episode 1. Social Media Growth Roadmap. Part 1. Turn your profile into a series people can follow, and you build loyalty faster than any trend. Step 6. Build trust, not just views. Views don't grow accounts. Trust does. Trust is earned through consistency of message, truth and transparency, and teaching things people can actually use. Examples: instead of saying, "AI can make you rich," show them how. Go to Upwork, search AI automation. Offer simple chatbot setups using Chatbase. Start with $50 gigs. Scale later. Small actions build massive trust. Step 7. Know your content types. Rotate them to grow fast. Authority content builds credibility. For example, the 3 things I'd do if I started online again in 2025. Value content teaches and helps, such as how to use ChatGPT to write marketing emails in 30 seconds. Growth content reaches new people. Most people don't know this TikTok trick. Personal content builds deeper connection, like what I learned after failing on social media for 6 months. Use all 4, not just one. Step 8. Post the right way. It's not about posting a lot. It's about posting better. Content quality over posting frequency. Strong hook over aesthetics. Message over production. Audience trust over viral moments. If people save and share your content, you grow. If they swipe, you vanish. Step 9. The code of consistency. Consistency matters, but not the post daily kind. That burns people out. Instead, post 3 to 5 high-quality videos per week. Recycle high-performing clips. Double down on top-performing hooks. Track what works. Success comes from data, not motivation. Step 10. Copy these growth templates. Here are plug-and-play templates you can use today. Hook templates. Nobody is talking about this, but if I had to start from 0 today, here's exactly what I'd do. Most people fail because stop scrolling. You need to hear this. Content templates. 5 apps making people rich in 2025. My content then versus now, here's what changed. Stop doing this if you want to grow. Creators won't admit this. Step 11. Use AI to speed up. Creators who win use AI as leverage. ChatGPT for script writing. CapCut for editing. 11 Labs for voiceovers. Notion for planning. Opus Clip for repurposing. Tools don't make great content, but they remove excuses. Step 12. The growth concept nobody talks about. Most people quit after 3 weeks because they don't get views. But the truth is, social media isn't a game of views. It's a game of skill. Every video trains you. Every upload builds proof of work. Growth is earned. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be special. You just need to start and refuse to quit. The difference between those who grow and those who don't is simple. One group keeps talking about it. The other group shows up every day. If you're serious about growing on social media in 2025 and building something real, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning.